hello, children. Hello, Miss Esther. Hey. Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome to another Second Time video with Miss Esther. Today, we are going to learn about simple addition. Yes. If you've not heard about that word before now, today we are going to learn how to put numbers together. Okay? Now, what is addition? Addition means putting things or numbers together. I have a very small or short song that I would like us to learn. Okay? And it says, addition means putting together. So when I say addition means you get your two cutie hands together and clap them, okay? Which means we are putting together. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Addition means putting together. Yay! Amazing, right? That is what addition means. All right, the next thing we need to learn is the sign for addition. What is the sign for addition? I am going to write it on my board and we're going to learn it together, okay? Now, the sign for addition, have you seen a cross sign before? Like this. 1, 2. This right here is the sign for addition. Can you see that? So, this right here has a name. Would you like to learn the name? The name is called plus. Let's say it together. Plus. Again. Plus. Great job! So next time you're asked, what is the sign for addition? What will you say? You say, the sign for addition is plus. And how do you write plus? This is how you write plus. You write a stroke down and a sleeping line. A sleeping line is also called a dash. That's how you write plus. Another thing I need to let you know is whenever you see this sign, it means you should put together. Great job. Amazing. So whenever you see this plus sign, what does it mean? It means you should put together. All right, friends. Now that we know what addition means, and we also know what the sign for addition is, what do you think we should do? We should get adding. So we're going to add numbers together. But not just numbers, we're also going to add items together. Now, I want you to do me a favor. Look around you. Look around where you're sitting now and put everything you can see with your eyes together. It could be your toys. It could be your pencil. It could be your books. It could even be the television in your house. Anything you can see. I want you to count all of them and put them together and tell me the answer. I will wait. Now, what you just did there is called addition because you've been able to put things together. Okay? Now, let me bring out something we can add with. Ta-da! There are so many colorful balls in here. But we want to know how many red balls we can find. So let's count the red balls together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you see, what we just did was we put all the red balls together. We counted the red balls and we got 5 red balls. Okay? But what if I say that I want to know how many red balls and how many blue balls are here in this net? What do you think we're going to do? You got that right? It's called addition. We're going to put the red balls and the blue balls together, right? Remember the sign I told you. Addition means putting together. Simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so let's find out how many blue balls we have in this net. Are you ready to count with me? All right, let's go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Do we have more red balls and blue balls? No. So let's set this one aside. Okay, so we have a bowl of red and blue balls. But we want to know how many balls we have in this bowl all together. So you know what to do. It's called addition. You see, we have 5 red balls and we have 5 blue balls. But we want to know how many balls we have in this bowl. So we're going to put all of them together like we're mixing flour, sugar, everything all together, and we're going to count. Are you ready to count with me? Yay! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whee! So that means we have 10 balls all together. You just did basic addition, right? Did you enjoy counting the balls with me? Oh yes, I did as well. Now let's move over to counting with numbers, okay? Now that we know how to count and put items together, it could be your book, it could be your pencil, it could be these balls that we counted, it could be any item, anything. As long as you're putting it together, it means you are adding, okay? But sometimes addition comes looking this way. I'm going to show you how it comes. Sometimes you could have 2. Remember the sign? Great job. The plus sign. We do not learn to forget, okay? And we have the next number written here. So how do you read this? You say 2 plus 4. Remember what I told you? That whenever you see the plus sign, it means we should do what? Put together. Great job. Now, what does this mean? It means that you should put 2 and 4 together. Now, how do you do that? There's something called stroking. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to stroke to find the answer. Okay? You can either stroke or you can draw whatever thing you want to draw. Anyone you're comfortable with, you can go with it, okay? But we are going to stroke in today's class. So we're going to have 1, 2. You see? 2 strokes down here. And the next one will move over to 4 and have 4 strokes down there. Let's go. 1, ouch, marker. Next, we're going to move over to 4 and have 4 strokes down there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll be wondering, Miss Esther, have we found the answer like that? No. You have to put together. Great job. So we're going to put these strokes together. Are you ready? Let's put it together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy peasy, right? That means 2 plus 4. The answer would give you 6. You might be wondering what Miss Esther did here by putting 2 sleeping lines or 2 dashes, right? This is called equal to. That means you are telling us that 2 plus 4 is the same as 6, right? Good. We're also going to find our answer using counters. Are you ready to use counters to find the answer with me? Let's get it right. So let's clean out the strokes and clean out the answer. We're also going to leave our equal to, because the equal to is always going to take us to the answer. Yay! All right, friends, so let's get our counters right on the board. When you see something like this, you say 2 plus 4. Remember, Miss Esther says you can either draw or use your strokes. All right, friends, so we're going to use counters to get the answer, okay? Remember I taught you how to use strokes, and I told you that you could use strokes or you could draw to get the answer. Now we're going to learn how to use counters. Your counters could be stones, it could be shells, it could be anything. Even beads can serve as counters, okay? But today we are going to use these ones as our counters, okay? They're called circles, right? Or you can say 0. All right, so when you have your counters and you have 2 plus 4, the first thing you want to do is get 2 counters. 1, 2, right? Or 2 beads or 2 stones. Anyone you're using, even straws can serve, okay? Now we need to count 4 circles as well. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember what we said about addition, right? Addition means putting together. Correct. So we're going to put all these counters together to have the answer, okay? Now, when you're counting with counters, you have to put them away. Like you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer, like we got before, is, let's write it out, 6. Do you understand? All right, another thing I need to let you know about addition is adding with 0. But before we get right into that, I would like to let you know that 0 means nothing. Yes, 0 means nothing. Now, I'm going to explain. Do I have anything written on my board? No, right? What about this number? Good. This is 1, right? 1 means you have 1 circle. But when we write this number, Does it mean we have one circle? No, it means we have no circle. That means 0 means nothing. There's nothing there. So whenever you're asked, what is 0? What do you say? You say 0 means nothing. Now, let's get right into adding with 0. Just like we said, if we have 2 plus 0 equals, let's use our counters, or let's use our strokes to find the answer, right? So because we have 2 here, we're going to have 2 strokes, right? Now, we have 0. Are we going to have any stroke here? No, we will not have any stroke because 0 means nothing. Great job. Now, because we have nothing here, it means when we are putting our numbers together, we're only to put the strokes we can see. That means 2 plus 0 is going to give us, let's go, 1, 2. Great job. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Amazing, right? Now, this is where we get to say that any number plus 0 is going to give you that same number, right? So now if you say 4 plus 0, I know you know the answer, right? 4 plus 0 is 4. Great job. That same number. What about 10 plus 0? Oh, wait. That's amazing. 10 plus 0 is 10 because any number plus 0 is that same number. Roll it for yourselves. Roll. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're a superstar. Great champ. All right, friends. Let's see what this is going to give us. What number is this? 4. And what sign is this? Plus. Great job. What number is this? 3. Amazing. And after that, we write our equal to, because I said the equal to means you're going to tell us the answer here. It means that 4 plus 3 is the same as the answer when we find the answer, okay? So let's start by using our strokes. Now that we have 4, how many strokes are we going to write on the 4? 4 strokes. That's great. We do not learn to forget, okay? Now let's count 4 strokes together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what's the next thing we're going to do? We'll look at the next number and write the strokes under the number, okay? So what number is this? 3. Good. Now how many strokes are we going to draw down there? 3 strokes. Great job. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. But we're not going to stop there. What are we going to do? Because we have the plus sign, we are going to put together. Great job. So let's put the strokes together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Great job. Amazing, right? Now, friends, we have learned how to add our numbers together. But before we say our goodbyes, let's review, okay? What is addition? We say that addition means... Great job. Addition means putting together. It could be putting any items together or putting numbers together. Great job. And what did we say the sign for addition is? I'll wait. Yes, the sign for addition is plus. And how do we write plus? This is plus right here. But then how do we write plus? I said you write a stroke and a sleeping line. Okay? A stroke and a sleeping line. That's the sign for addition. And lastly, what did we say that any number plus 0 would give you? You're so brilliant. Any number plus 0 will give you that same number. Amazing. So friends, we had so much fun learning about addition. All right, friends, now we know how to add numbers together. Now I want you to go out there and keep adding numbers, okay? See you in my next second time video, and bye for now. Hello, we have a community of over 30,000 amazing parents just like you, where we learn and interact every day. If you'd like to join this community, drop a comment saying I am interested, or send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. See you there.